JOYNED MU16 Milan to USB audio interface has 16 channels of audio in 48 kHz and 96 kHz. In case you need more channels than that, you are actually able to stack multiple units with Mac and Aggregate Devices. That could be for multi-channel recording, that could be for virtual soundcheck, or it could be for immersive playout on many channels. I'll show you how to set it up. Hi, I'm Christian from JOYNED. Let's dig into the details. My setup consists of a Mac M1 running Tahoe, and it is also running the JOYNED Milan controller. Then I've connected 3 MU16s, so it's in total 48 channels in my setup, through this Sandberg USB hub. It's all connected to the JOYNED AVB switch, and all audio is sent back and forth to the Presonus Studio Live mixer. In JOYNED Dash you can see that all 3 MU16s are sending audio to the Presonus mixer, and the Presonus mixer is returning signals to all 3 MU16s. The first MU16 is the clock leader on the Milan setup. So if we look at the OS side of the setup, I started out by creating an aggregate device, and inside this aggregate device I have enabled the 3 MU16s, and then I've set the first MU16 to be the clock leader seen from the macOS side. The USB side and the Milan side are fully synchronized. And that is also why I have not enabled any of these drift corrections. Often your audio cards are not able to be synchronized externally, and that is why you would want to enable these drift corrections. In our case, all MU16s are fully clock synchronized from the Milan setup, and that is why I don't need to enable any of these and keep the bit transparency. You're able to change the channel order between these MU16s seen from the Mac side, just by dragging and dropping them in a different order. Then we go to my DAW. In this case it's the LiveProfessor VST host, and if we go to audio media options, we can see that I've set up the aggregate device both as output and input. I've chosen the 48 kHz, which is the same sample rate as on the Milan side. I've chosen 16 samples audio buffers, and that creates a super low latency setup. Visit JOYNED.io for updates, manuals, where to buy, and to sign up for our newsletter. If you have any questions, feedback or ideas, drop a comment below. We are always happy to hear from you.